Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
You say you agree with Robin?
I do. I agree with Robin 100%.
Again, do not hang up. Whether you win or lose,
I was here first, you started backing out. No, move! Just back up. Back up, dude. Jesus Christ, dude. Go! Jesus Christ. Shiver me timbers. Go! I'm recording you. Christ. Bye-bye. Blah, 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 blah. God. Oh, my God. You came into me! Fucking asshole, man.
At all, baby. I have one last meeting today at 5:30, and then after that I'm gonna start making
what
food.
are you doing, dude?
Send it?
What are you doing?
It says, no worries at all, baby.
What are you doing?
I have one last meeting
what
today
are you doing,
at 5:30.
dumbass? What are you doing?
And then after that I'm gonna start making food. Do you want to send done?
Like an idiot.
It was the yellow. It was the yellow. It was the yellow. Don't hit another car. It's not yours. Go work.
The sequel's going to be a musical. Yeah, I was out. I was definitely out. So let's talk about this. Before you get into any further, you motherfucker, news, views, and rants, guys. Check out.
Cock underneath that, unless you pull the whole fucking thing up.
Whoa. Of course.
Really?
Of course you're gonna do that.
Jackass. Come on!
behave yourself, buddy. Behave. No, he's not.
Shit.
Oh!
Shit.
Oh!
Shit.
Oh! Oh!
Shit.
Oh! Oh!
Okay.
I have Dashcam footage.
Okay.
Okay.
Is
Do
there
we
a
do
car
anything?
behind us?
No.
Put on your blinkers. There is now.
Blinkers?
Manual recording will now start.
What is wrong with you?
Classic. So Delvy's dance partner, who's also eliminated, he got the word nothing tattooed on his back. Wow. Like nothing. Also.
What are you going to take away from this competition? Nothing.
Perhaps the best answer ever given. Yeah. So when someone asks him,
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.